In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use APIs in your Asana projects. Asana is a powerful tool for managing tasks and collaborating with your team. And by integrating third-party applications via APIs, you can extend its functionality even further. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly add these applications to your Asana projects. First, you'll want to open the Asana project where you'd like to integrate an API. Once you're in your selected project, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the Customize button. This is your gateway to personalizing and enhancing your project management experience, so go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked Customize, a menu will appear, revealing several options to tailor your project settings. From this menu, locate the Apps section. Clicking on Apps will direct you to another option that says Add App. Select this, and you'll move to the next step in integrating APIs into your project. At this point, a broad variety of third-party apps and software that can be integrated with your Asana project will be displayed. This comprehensive list includes tools across diverse categories, enabling you to find applications that perfectly fit your project's needs. By incorporating the right apps, you can automate tasks, enhance communication, and streamline your workflow. Now comes the part where you choose the specific application you want to integrate. Take your time to browse through the options, and when you find the one that suits your project's requirements, click on Add to Project. This action initiates the integration process, allowing Asana to communicate with the chosen app via an API. Each application might have its own specific connection process. You may need to follow a few instructions, such as signing into your account for the third-party app, granting permissions, or configuring certain settings. These steps are generally straightforward, and you'll just need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration successfully. And there you have it. Integrating APIs with your Asana project is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can enhance the capability of your Asana projects, creating a more efficient and capable project management environment. Whether you're bringing in time management tools, communication apps, or something uniquely tailored to your task requirements, this ability to integrate third-party applications is a game changer. So, start experimenting with the numerous apps available and find what complements your team's workflow best. Remember, the goal is always to make your project management as seamless and effective as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating.